frame never. I would cheer me here no we are from a brother. No pen, you say.
Uncle, about vacations.
Body.
Vacation.
Woman, men over Pama, Casa. Some by was say. Mukura born is someone more yellow. Most of you are moving to win them, young William. And routine of our tutu, wait, CHRISTIE was so ye are more afraid. Police, more for police, ever chill, more for police. It's in a number until the children flew by, move go you move. You see, a hand over Bobra. Why? It's one who go you, Paka.
You know what? That's not important to me because I know you shall be over. But the most important thing to me right now is I need money because I need to change my hair. Ever since I came, I've not been able to fix my nails. Yeah, I need to do that. Pedicures and also I'll be going on live this coming Sunday. So I need to get a heavy makeup and also fix the front hair. So you're gonna take your phone, call my dad, tell him to send me money.
Yeah, you can't show. They say, Moon Perk will be the money.
I'm gonna call the police on you or I'll kill you.
May will be coming.
Yes.
Hey, no more. Yes,
I
don't know what's so. May catch them. Men, some obey it. Yeah, may go cook, Rubia, a walk my friend, a small pint. But what would Yama to walk?
What is bomb now? Oh my God. Uncle, let me tell you. You know, I'm too nice to be compared to that places. Okay? You can't compare me to those people. I look good and fix my nails. So you're gonna call my dad.
Yeah, Mammy could be them. No way. Yes, sir. Maybe
we are not going anywhere. You rather go because this is our mother's house. My mommy in the Mommy or send this every arbitrary or see if you will say.
Hey, and my wife getting yours, huh? So, mammy feel, oh, mammy feel, you
how?
We change. My mommy or send my mommy or send this every day for you to build a house. Odi, so my mommy or for my back. Me who say Odi, me mommy feel in church or guess and say,
hey, I said, no,
but uncle,
come to more evidence for.
Our mother clearly told us that this house belongs to her.
Said the air, what Dad said. More back vacation, said the air. Sad, didn't know the two to say a young mobile when you become. And think what is
Chelsea, you know.
Mommy fear.
Uncle,
yeah, what's for Prasta? No, what?
Oh God, my mental health. Ouch. Uncle, CHRISTIE, I don't know, Chelsea. The room is too hot for me, and Uncle is also harassing my mental health. So I need to go out and take some fresh. So let's go. You know what? The best thing for you is just give birth. Look at you, old man like you. You don't have a child.
Uncle. Because you also your one now. I feel so come and see me. It's not time I'll be pulling more about it. Because say all that right that one band. Sometimes I say, a hand no more choose so they won't come. Maybe Nancy Kakana of my meal means me. So I was a car and started working shop. Otherwise, that's all theory. Maybe I could talk out from. Now I have no wife, nephew, because I never hear. What is it?
Yeah, Mammy Castle. Unti, my unitina, oh, mamma say, Mammy Yaka piano.
Say,
Mammy fuck her piano family. He said, Musubaya, what the number one took a number of years in. A Unti, me come and say, no
way. Now, mammy, no, the other say, oh,
Mammy Castle, and your man defeat. If you know what you are not going people, none of the actual room there.
No worry,
I know my I told you you pay more family and to young family and yes, if you are pay more cat and she said,
Uncle, I have a soft copy. I will sell this house. Now with that talk, with that talker. Why?
Oh, but don't feel the apple talker. I'm playing that. Yes, I come to our cranky. Shall I tell you, I'm not going to work.
Me enya Amanda abonti suni ene be yi fela ne bom se maba enga mini e yomo ye na nyo
No, you know this weather. Why are people in this heat? Everywhere is hot. Why? It's not. Yeah, they PSA no not. Yeah, to me that's why we are always indoors. At least inside all the AC is okay. So that's why I need to be at.
yeah me sure say mutima dem ma be somewhere.
Oh yeah.
So much but I was like please buy bra
Ala me say me laptop say me hu ado to yin.
the table no so
Table dey because my table no so na my head.
eda so table no so
Table dey ko table e odo so.
table no si dem mo eda so
Na ya ba so e
na me am fine
na ya wona na yi nyoma.
how dey eda so on kai me brother AKWABOAH.
Come on, where is Vesano? Oh wow, this is good. This is good. Wow. Oh, also I feel like this is what you're looking for.
To come for me black. Na say kwedi bruto.
Oh, say no I feel like
No dia efe. No dia efe.
yeah, for the banana chame. Wow, AKWABOAH.
Bra.
Hey, hi.
Hold
on. Okay.
Isabella.
Oh, hi. How are you? No.
One ka Isabella. Young kula blame. Me now before na me
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Hey, big girl.
Yeah.
Why come up? Wow. What's this about?
What's this so call no?
Hey. Yeah. Oh, why come up? You mean not that from no pursue papa for Jason.
Brenya ha na be chire nsem.
Maybe say ni pa no say in the past but also the car. Oh, you be an open super into only super. Who's that is one no so a million.
Maybe as I
Oh, really na yes, I really na sound. You know, come on.
I inherited it from my father.
There. Father, na say we father no yame. Yame na yo ni sa.
What's the what do you mean?
Sa. Oh,
can nsem. Ono so ga so kan dia betina.
Oh, the same day say.
Oh, maybe Sana unsam center.
Oh, wow.
Oh yeah. So I remember. Now I remember some name CHRISTIE about no in Seattle. So vigil mo jare. So fair no. Oh yeah no. No boy. On a small boy watch you ma.
But no coming baby. No need na compound so driving so when the swans no say be who no driving car.
Oh, but why come up pa? What's wrong with you? There we need oh come on.
Black person.
I like to know say na. They we need to. Oh wow. Oh yeah the same for. All right. And the me have a cosmo come so. Go inside don't cause on here me come. Why?
Oh, you listen that. I did come on.
I can't I did.
Hey, come
Yeah.
Wow.
Isabel, I did.
Remember, Phil.
No, you're free. So,
Yeah, in there. But all your friends.
the master,
Oh, thank God.
my girlfriend in the laptop. Also, one in the corner, each other.
They were just still you. I would say, I mean, what's this saying also now? You're quite down.